Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today it's just going to be a quick little decorate with me. I'm going to make my bedroom here winter cozy. Y'all know I already did the living room and everything, and it's so festive out there and it looks so good. But whenever I walk into my bedroom, it is just not festive at all, and we have to change that. So today I'm just going to be decorating with a couple of items that I found, and actually at some surprising places. So stay tuned, because I'll tell you where you can shop to get some really cute decor that I was actually surprised by. But anyway, I'll have that all for you guys in just a minute. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's get to decorating. So you guys, I went over to my local CVS, and when I walked in, I was actually shocked and surprised. I had no idea that CVS was selling Christmas decor like this. They had so many items to choose from. My head was spinning. I was looking in every direction because there were so many items, things that were just so cute. I just could not believe that CVS was selling things like this. So as you guys can see, there's plenty Christmas decor to choose from. Y'all, they even had a light station where they had the light display so you can see the type of lights that you would be purchasing. I just thought that this was like really great for CVS. You know, we're all used to CVS just being our local pharmacy, but who knew that they had all of this? I even saw some great gifts in there as well. So I will be going back to visit, but definitely check out CVS. This feels much more festive and way better. So now coming from my living room into my bedroom, all of the winter cozy vibes are here. Thank y'all so much for joining me for this video. If you have any questions or are interested in anything that you saw here, then just look in the description box. I will have everything linked that I can. Again, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below, and I will see y'all on the next video.